wrestling fans, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be checking out the WWE Mattel Elite Series 96 of Kofi Kingston from the New Day. Series 96, his latest figure. Check it out. Let's check out the back there with an awesome picture. His finisher, the Trouble in Paradise. He's a former WWE champion, a SmackDown Tag Champ, Intercontinental Champion. By the power of Grayskull, Kofi Kingston challenged Bobby Lashley for the WWE Championship at Money in the Bank 2021. Series 96 featuring Doudrop, Dragunov, Nakamura, Hulk Hogan, Brock Lesnar, and of course Kofi Kingston of the New Day. Check out the artwork on the side here. Picture of Kofi, featuring him in his purple attire. Series 96 Mattel Elite. Kofi Kingston, a former WWE World Heavyweight Champ, 4-time Intercontinental Champ, 3-time United States Champ, 6-time Raw Tag Champ, 7-time SmackDown Champion, World Tag Team Championship held with CM Punk, and of course the New Day captured the NXT Tag Team Gold. He is a Grand Slam, a Triple Crown, and now a Tag Team Triple Crown Champion. Kofi Kingston, awesome in-ring performer. Love watching him as a singles wrestler and as a part of New Day. Awesome three-man trio group. Without further ado, let's get into the package. Here we go. There is a little more tape to cut than there is in the Legends series. I'm fine with the extra security. Here we go. Little Kofi Kingston here. And here he is in the shell, Kofi Kingston. Nice looking figure here. It's time to unleash him. Doesn't look like there's anything holding him. He'll just pop right out. Yep. So he's popping right out. Kofi. It's a new day. Yes, it is. Let's check it out here. You've got a little bit of... Got the hoodie on. It does not move. It's a hard plastic. Kofi Kingston. That one's got a little awesome head scan here with the piggy tail in the back. Let's go ahead and get his hands out of the packaging. Comes with an extra set of close grip hands. Bow, bow. All right, let's put those on for you real quick. He's got the purple hand glove, open hand glove here, with the unicorn skull on the back. So now he's ready for a battle. Check it out. Kofi Kingston. Good look at that hoodie there. Got his unicorn skull, purple shoes. Awesome figure there. Go to our eBay store. There's a link in the comments section down below. You can purchase Mattel Elites, other old school figures, wrestling cards. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more box openings, figure reviews. We've got a lot of short reviews if you don't have time to watch the 5-minute openings. Of course, we do the opening. We don't flash forward to the figure out of the box. We show it being open, showing it in the shell. Awesome figure here. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for the New Day's Kofi Kingston.